Hello everyone and welcome to another tutorial. So let's say that you have a gigantic list of queries, keywords, and you want to filter only the long tail keywords. There is a very easy way to do it. I'm going to give you the formula also you can use on Google Sheets and on Excel. Before we go straight to the point, please subscribe to the channel. It helps tremendously to create new content. So thank you very much in advance. So here is the list. What you have to do is to create a column here, the name it count of words, and insert this formula. So this formula, don't worry about not being able to see all of it perhaps, or let's say copying it. It is down in the video description. You can copy it from there. All you have to do is to replace the cell number. So here we have cell A2. So 1, 2, 3 instances of that. And that's it. Once you create the formula once, then you can drag it across your entire column. And now all you have to do is create a very nice filter, and you can simply filter. Let's actually go only for long tail queries that are 6 or 7 words long. And here we go. So here all the keywords are relevant to coffee. So best coffee beans in the world, coffee bean and tea leaf. You can use the same method on any data set, either on Google Sheets or on Excel. So all you have to do, again, down in the video description, you copy the formula, you paste it in your Google Sheets or your Excel, and the formula is going to count the exact number of words in a different cell. That's it. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments. Have a great day in any time.